Welcome to Options Center. It is Wednesday after the bell, 4:27. Hope everybody had a great trading day. We sure did, especially in the Discord. The option guys, it's awesome, you guys. We've had some great trades, knocking around ideas to each other and just killing it. Love it. Yes, before we get on with these, the update, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, the options options tender logo, and hit the subscribe button. All right, let's jump into it. We have SPX on the daily. This is our options expected move. We start the move at the white line. We have about a 58-point move to the upside or a 58-point move to the downside. The options market sort of predicts that by order flow. As you can see here, we have done nothing, absolutely nothing, which is good for consolidation, but this could break down. I think we're just waiting for information. We have FOMC tomorrow. We're railing through some earnings with big tech. So Tesla took a little dip. We'll take a look at that later, and then Microsoft and Google after hours, along with AMD. So also, let's move over to Trend is our friend. Add some trend lines here. We're in this channel here. We touched the top there. Pulled back on a sub wave 4, and now we're working on wave 5. Technically, that could be over at this point, and this wave 3 could be over. We're waiting to see what kind of move we make. I was expecting to come up to the you'll see the options expected move at around 42.39. On the ES, it's going to be around the 42.29 area, and I was expecting to go up to that point. Maybe after the FOMC, they pump it up to that level, and then it dumps. That is a complete possibility, but I do want to let you know we are bullish until we hit this 8MA. We are bullish all the way across the board. We are starting to make a crossover on the MACD, but nothing to be too alarmed about until those histograms start to move. Okay, let's move over to the SPY. Check that out. SPY daily. You know, look at the same. I just want to look at the volume here. It's just, it's dead. We have no volume, so we're not confirming any moves. We're not actually moving, so we'll see. We'll probably see some volume tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on that. All right, down to the ES on the 65-minute. We use the 65-minute, so all the candles are equal during the trading day. So we had our wave 3 end here. We had an 8BC correction. It looks like an expanding flat to the upside. We hit all-time highs, so this could be over if we had a 5-wave count here. If we do not, 2, 3, 4, and then if we're working on wave 5 now, then that will probably be it before our bigger wave 4 correction to the downside. And that one should be pretty hefty. We'll get to that on the video. So hit the notification button because we do these videos once or twice a day and on the weekend as well. So you see the MACD is trying to cross over the bearish area, but it hasn't quite made that bullish cross to the upside either. So we're gonna go sideways to see what happens tomorrow. One of our trade ideas early today, one of the traders in the Discord, which I'll put in the description, they pointed out and they asked me about this, so we went ahead and triggered this trade. I was like, wow, you picked a good one. Let's go. And we took a nice, well, I took a nice, I'm not sure who else followed, but a beautiful 45% trade in one day. I decided I was going to hold it for a couple days to hit this expected move here, but no need to. We had a nice move over resistance and no need to take any risk when you have such a good gain in one day. Nvda. We exited this right when the bell opened. Thank gosh, we knew where our target was. It was actually right above the gap where the options expected move was. You can see it right there. That was our target, but we saw that gap area with the doji, so we exited out for a beautiful overnight gain, and then that took a nice move down there. We don't expect it to move much further down. This could be just a wave 2. If you're looking to re-enter, grab your retrace from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top of wave 1, and you should see something like a 61.8% move, and that would be around the 605 area. That's just a common spot. It could, it could come back further. The only way it'd be invalidated is if it came across the bottom of wave 1. That would invalidate the bullish count. All right, moving over to Tesla. We've been looking at Tesla a lot, and I think it's starting to form its direction. All right, I'm going to put this one on a daily so we can just see it a little bit better. We have all kinds of stuff happening here. So we had our first 5-wave count down. We had an A, B, C correction to the upside. Now, we just wasn't sure if that was a bull flag, but now we're starting to lose the 8MA, and we're I put on a straddle here at the open today. So I'll let this one play out. I do think it's going to the downside, and I'll probably take that the call position off and just have a straight put at this point. But we're right at the 20. Might have a little bit of a bounce here at the 20 or 50. But if it loses this, you guys, that's about it. We're probably going to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 wave down to either the bottom of the channel or maybe to the gap below. Okay, that's what we're looking at. Tesla and Microsoft. Let's look at that after hours really quick here. I know that we don't want these videos to be too long. Look at that move. Sharp move to the downside past the expected move. It probably will open somewhere around this area tomorrow, if not right after the bell. AMD looking good after hours. We have this huge resistance here. It's pumping over that. If we can get a little bit of follow through tomorrow, then we'll use this as a backing to trade off of, and we'll get bullish on AMD. Last but not least, Google. So many good. I don't trade Google, but it's nice to look at that. So if one big tech stock's down, one's got to be up, right? We keep the market balanced. This one took a nice big move up there, and then again, it's capable of coming back to the 2361 area, the expected move after the hedges come on. We'll see how that plays out tomorrow. All right. Hope you had a great trading day today. We will talk to you in the morning.